I'm Area Director Cameron Jones.
I'm Area Director Lindsay Lee.
Our 4 instructional focus areas this year are English and Math Performance, College and Career Readiness, and English Language Learner Progress. To focus on these areas, our role is to facilitate coaching and targeted professional development for our site principals and teachers to focus on teaching and learning.
We support the growth of our dual enrollment programs with local community colleges so that we can maximize the availability for free college classes for Excelsior students. Over the past 2 years, Excelsior students have completed over 1,200 individual college classes. In addition, we support the growth of our career technical education, also known as CTE, opportunities for our students. We're proud of our Cybersecurity CTE pathway. Our students in this pathway have already earned certifications in CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus.
Our mission is to prepare students to be successful adults. Our innovative design gives your child a true advantage of being fully prepared to enter college, the military, vocational program, or the workforce. Thank you.